going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here again. Today's trade basically, well, as you can see here, it was a little noisy. You can see the market pretty much was giving us at least some type of clear direction at the beginning, but then it started a lot of indecision. This is when the New York Stock Exchange opened right here. So it was going down, then going up, and it went down a little bit, but then it started pushing up. So it was a little messy. It wasn't that bad, to be honest. It wasn't that bad like previous weeks before. But this one right here, this is what we caught. Okay, I actually did send this, the setup on the VIP signal group. I sent the actual sale right here on the breakout of this flag. The price did pushed down, and with the New York Stock Exchange opening, you see this candle was the one actually hitting the first TP. At this point, the stops were placed on break even, and the next candle, next thing you know, boom, stopping us out on break even on this one. So only hitting TP1 on Nasdaq, and after that the market just consolidated a little bit, but then started actually pushing up. This push right here was actually quite nice. You got to push, pull back, and now you got a big push, pull back, push, pull back. At least started to push up after that. I will show you something we are catching also in here. But this was pretty much the sale we had on Nasdaq this morning on a 15-minute time frame, and on US 30 we actually caught a little buy, just a little buy. I was actually going on a 1-to-1 risk to reward right here. I was seeing the market was, you see, it was a lot. It was going sideways basically right here. But when I went on a 15-minute, you can kind of see what it was doing. The market was pretty much right here. You see stop, right? The price broke apparently the 31,500. This is psychological level right here. The price broke, but then it went down again. So pushing up, breaking this area, but guess what? It went down again. So it was like that. It was not showing any clear direction yet, because it was creating a new high, but it created a new low right here also. So it was very weird. At this point, the market was very weird. But then it pushed up again, and it got inside this area. The market had started consolidating in this area. So I was like, okay, at least it's on top of it, and it's been struggling to go lower. You see those rejections right here, this rejection, this big rejection right here, trying to go below, but it failed. It closed, it retraced all the way back up. And that candle, look, at that point I was drawing that little resistance right here, and I was waiting for some type of confirmation breakout to the upside. One candle, I wanted to get in aggressively, so I just waited for this candle, and when it was about to close, I actually jumped in, and I noticed that, you know, it did close, the body of the candle did close above. It did create a new high right here. It broke above. So jumped in, stop loss below that week, and just one-to-one risk to reward. I didn't want it to go too high on this one. Let's see if that 1-to-2 would have hit it. Yeah, it would have hit the actual 1-to-2 risk to reward, but I didn't feel like it, to be honest. I didn't feel like it. So I actually sent this signal also to the VIP. Now, what we're doing at this point, we go on a 4-hour right here. We're still on this downtrend, okay? Very strong downtrend. The market, it's getting into a zone, another psychological level here. It's very critic area right here. The market could crash down again tomorrow, or who knows, you know, the remaining of the week. But it's getting back to this psychological level. So it's an attractive area right now for sellers. Sellers could try to get in control now in this area. So just paying attention to that. Nasdaq, could be some type of head and shoulder. You see this clear now. The left head, right? So this is what we are doing right now at this point. We did catch this little buy right here. I'm still holding on Nasdaq. It did give us that. Look at this nice 1 hour. You see even this gap right here to the upside. So it's a nice demand zone. The price skyrocket right here. It pulled back. It did reach the the demand zone, and yeah, and also the actual golden zone. If you use the Fibonacci from this low to the high, the price was pretty much retesting the golden zone, and then after that it broke. So I was getting in on that 15-minute time frame right there. Nice flag, nice pullback. The price breaking to the upside. It is struggling a little bit. However, pay attention to this psychological level right here. Right? My little concern is this area that we are right now. This area right here, it's a very strong resistance. So I want to see if it's going to break it, because the market can react right here and just woof, come back dropping. All right. Remember what the market has been doing. The market has been creating a lot of head and shoulders lately. Like on the bigger time frame, you see this head and shoulder, but failed right here to break above. If you know, if this was some other time during last year, this head and shoulder would have played out really well and reaching at least this area right here. But no, failing completely, you know, come crashing down. So you have another nice head and shoulder here. So guess what? Something like that could happen again. I'm not saying it will happen. It's potential, very likely to happen again. But for the moment, still holding that one. At least it's looking nice. The buy, the direction, at least it's a little bit more clear. You see what I mean? So it's a bit more clear because the price did push, pull back, touching demand zone, and now, you know, break out of that structure. As I mentioned, my only concern is this area, because market could stop right there and boom, come crashing down later. All right, but that's basically it. That's basically what we're doing right now. I'll show you also the entry on gold we took, and still holding on this one. Let's see if it's going to start pushing up, or is it gonna just consolidate right here. I kind of like that the market climbed on top of that 1850 psychological level, and let's see if we're gonna, you know, that direction will still continue to the upside, most likely reaching the 1900. But to be honest, on a bigger time frame, I think this might still continue dropping. I just want to see at least some type of pullback on this after this big downtrend. The price broke the trend to the upside, so expecting some type of, you know, you get a push, maybe a pullback, and perhaps continuation to the downside. So this is where we are so far right now. But that's it, guys. I just wanted to give you that little update. If you want to follow us on Telegram, you can just go on the description below. You'll find the information for my Telegram, my free Telegram group. In there, I do post information also in there for free. If you want to be part of the Team Profits, so you're interested what I'm doing, and you know, I highly recommend you going on my website, teamprofitsfx.com. You can find out that I'm also offering a bundle right there, and there's a nice discount, a 70% discount on my bundle, which includes a course, a mentorship, and a VIP signal group for life. Okay, but just so you know, if you're looking only for signals, again, this is not for you. All right, I don't recommend you getting this if you're looking only for signals. If you want to learn, this is for you. If you want to get only signals, no. Alrighty, so that being said, thanks again, guys, for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy, guys.